Do you think you know everything about these felines? What's new to know about cats? Think again. In this video, I'm going to talk about 20 scientific facts and trivia about cats that will blow your mind with lesser-known facts and trivia about cats. But before continuing, leave that feline like that. These curiosities about cats are going to be very cool, and comment here which of these facts you didn't know and which you liked the most. First, they're basically little lions. Don't use the term big cats to refer to animals like lions and leopards without good reason. Cats and tigers shared a common ancestor more than 10 million years ago, but today's domestic cats still share 95% of their genetic makeup with tigers. Not surprisingly, the two exhibit many of the same behaviors, establishing scent marking, chasing prey, and attacking. A very interesting scientific fact about these little felines. Second, cat brains are very similar to ours. You and your cat have a lot in common, starting with the head. A really cool curiosity about cats is that they think the same way we do, largely because their brains are similar in structure to ours. Both human and cat brains have gray and white matter, as well as similar regions and lobes. Cats dream like us, and have short-term and long-term memory functions like us. Third, they're not nocturnal, they're twilight. The word nocturnal is used when referring to a cat's sleep schedule, but that's not quite real. Cats are crepuscular, not nocturnal. That is to say, they are most active during dawn and dusk. In the wild, this is your hunting time. Cats expend a lot of energy during these hours, attacking, playing. It's a great time to play with your cat and then reward them with a meal. Optimize their playtime by gifting them with these toys. Fourth, your cat must sleep so much. Cats spend approximately 2/3 of their lives sleeping, or between 13 and 16 hours a day. My God! How much I envy them. But that doesn't mean laziness. It is a typical way for predatory animals, like the other big cats from which they originate, to sleep most of the day. So, support your cat's naps. Fifth, they spend most of their time grooming. Cats spend a good part of their days grooming themselves, but this behavior cannot be associated with vanity. Licking the fur helps to cool them down, helps with blood flow, and distributes natural oils around the fur. In scientific circles, it is also believed that their saliva has enzymes that work as a natural antibiotic for wounds. Sixth, their vision is almost like a superpower. A cat's peripheral vision reaches 200 degrees, which is 20% better than that of humans. Once they focus on potential prey, all of their eye abilities come to the fore. Although they can't see very well at great distances, the truth is that they don't need to. A cat relies on its absolute accuracy when the prey is within hunting range, which is approximately 20 feet away. Night vision is pretty good too, and they can hunt in total darkness as sure as they do during the day. And we can't even find our way to the bathroom at night. Seventh, your cat is virtually legally blind. Cats are clairvoyant, which means they have trouble focusing on objects in front of them. His near vision is around 20/100 on the human vision scale, which is at the extreme of legal blindness. Cats scientifically have a blind spot, right in front of their faces, which is why your kitty keeps losing or leaving the treat you put right under his nose. Eighth, cats qualified for the Olympics. Surely you've seen a cat run and you know they're super fast. But here's a science fact about cats worthy of even a gold medal: cats reach around 30 miles an hour, which means they can beat Usain Bolt in the 200-meter sprint. And that's without physical conditioning or ingesting any carbohydrates. Ninth, they're good actors too. Cats are expert hunters and also perfect mimes. You may have seen videos of cats barking or saying no or hello around. They use this same skill to help hunt birds. A really cool scientific fact about cats is that they shout or tweet to imitate birdsong or other sounds of prey they want to hunt, so they can hide in a bush or behind the tree and attract prey close enough to attack. 10th, you can guess a cat's personality based on its coloring. They say you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but you can do it with a feline. Cats with the most coat colors have the most provocative and challenging personalities. A scientific study on cats conducted by the Journal of Applied Animal Welfare Science interviewed cat owners and found cats with jaguar patterns to have higher levels of aggression than humans. The next curiosity is quite different. We thought cats couldn't express themselves, but their vocabulary consists of over 100 different sounds. We often think that our cats are quiet, except for the occasional or frequent meows, purrs, or hisses, but in fact, they have quite a diverse vocabulary. Cats can make over 100 vocal sounds that range from a cry to growls to different variations of meows. Also, cats have distinctive sounds for their owners. Speaking of cats making sounds, they can also develop a form of communication to communicate with their owners. Each cat will perfect a series of unique meows or sounds for its owner, identical to how dogs can learn different command words based on their trainer. For this reason, those owners who talk to their kittens are more willing to have a cat that will be quite vocal. In 13th, your cat's heart beats almost twice as fast as yours. A cat's heart beats between 140 and 220 beats per minute. Don't panic if your kitty's heart rate is at the maximum limit, bursting in that range at the vet. Cats usually don't like visits to the vet, so their hearts tend to beat faster there. To check your cat's pulse at home, place your hand on the left side, behind the front leg. You will be able to feel his heart beating through your fingers. Count the number of beats you feel in 15 seconds, multiply that number by 4 to get your total beats per minute. 14th place, cats have far fewer taste buds than humans. An interesting and fun fact about cats, felines have only 470 taste buds, which is a huge difference compared to humans having 10,000, and dogs having 1,700. Another curiosity about cats is that they are obligate carnivores, which means they need to eat meat to survive, but have difficulty digesting plants. They don't need as many taste buds as herbivores and omnivores, because the diet shouldn't be mixed. Herbivores need more taste buds to differentiate between toxic and non-toxic plants. 15th, did you know that your kitty has a thing for melons? Although they like meat, many cats love to eat melons. That's because many of the amino acids in meat are also in melon. That's why, for cats, melons smell like meat. And also, cats shouldn't eat raw fish. Here's another kindness that isn't good for cats, although cartoons we watch show you to believe otherwise. The danger of raw fish to cats is similar to that of humans. Raw fish can have bacteria and cause food poisoning. There is also an enzyme in raw fish that destroys thiamine, an essential B vitamin, which can cause neurological problems. Another curiosity is that your cat can be addicted to tuna. Tuna is a great delicacy, but in excess, it can be harmful to your cat's health, so don't overdo it. Cats can become obsessed with the taste of tuna and refuse to eat anything else. These tuna addicts end up suffering from malnutrition because tuna alone does not have all the nutrients the cat needs. But remember to give it in the form of a sachet because all the nutrients present in the sachet are safe for your cat, and always remember to take your friend to the vet. 18th, they have insane control over their ears. Most humans fail when it comes to trying to move their ears, and cats can do it very easily. The cat's pavilion, the triangular part of the ear that we can see, helps give it an edge over other species, behaving like part of a satellite dish and part of a catcher's glove. The pavilion's shape creates a unique funnel, capturing sounds from the air and pulling them in. The coolest part of this feature. The pinny can move independently of each other, almost completely behind the head. Yes, 180-degree rotation, and that's thanks to the collective work of 32 small muscles. Now in 19th, purring remains a mystery. Science still hasn't figured out why cats purr, but one theory says that the sound frequency of purring can help improve their bone density. Cats adapt to conserve energy for long periods of sleep, and it is possible that purring is a low-energy medium that stimulates muscles and bones without much energy. Last but not least, cats were domesticated. At the same time that dogs were brought into the homes and chosen according to tasks they could perform, such as guarding and hunting, an amusing fact and curiosity about cats is that they were not brought as long as they lived. After living alongside humans, the cats realized that we were not going to take them away from our homes, and so they invited themselves to come in and also stay. This is why cats are still so flexible to outside life, and why socialization with humans in the first 8 to 12 weeks of a kitten's life is essential in indicating the cat's behavior and sociability. The animal world is really amazing, isn't it? Especially when it comes to our beloved pets. I always bring curiosities from the animal kingdom, to the delight of enthusiasts. So you don't miss any news of what happens, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, because here they have a lot of scientific knowledge along with good humor. See you in the next video.